is located a little bit above your ankle. To find this point, put your finger on the tip of your ankle bone, right over here. Now find the point that's the width of your thumb 5 times above that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a Taishin, which is a spring-loaded acupressure instrument, you can pulse it 25 times, like this. Now find and activate this point on your other leg.